Guys, in the mobile manufacturing world, what is happening? What is taking place? There are only three countries that are actually manufacturing and designing their own phones. South Korea, you can get Samsung. In China, there's a Xiaomi and all these OnePlus and all these Huawei and bullshit companies. And then you go to US and you can get decent phone, actually Motorola and iPhone plus Google Pixel also. But there are only three countries. Like it is not a high benchmark. There was a time when Finland was making their own phones. There was a time when India was this churning out the carbon and the lava and spice. There were so many Indian brands, Micromax also. There were so many Indian brands which were actually making the phones. Okay, they were maybe assembling and like bringing them from China and then putting the logos from putting the logos in India. But who cares? They were actually companies, the mobile companies which belong to other nations also. But now there are only three countries: South Korea, China, and US. That's it. No other country. Even in Europe, Europe is such a rich continent. There are so many countries which are rich in Europe, and they have also the technology. Still, they do not have any this mobile phone companies. No brand coming out from Europe. Can you imagine? This is a France. The France is a country. The Germany is a country. The Netherlands, the UK, the Italy, and the Spain. They do not have their own mobile phone company. Can you imagine that? So I think even building the mobile phones is hard. Not everybody can do that, and we are getting happy because we are able to assemble the iPhones in India. Wow, man! Wow, you achieved it. You have achieved it. But what can I say? Okay, mention your opinions in the comment section and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Okay, please, please, please subscribe to the channel.